running out of time on that one.
Hello, this is Deborah Hardman, owner of Nature's Healing. I'm back with you again to talk with you about the Young Living Essential Oil meal replacement line. Now, the meal replacement line is my favorite because I'm literally always on the go, teaching classes, online, in homes, at coffee shops, everywhere. And I just have to eat all the time. And also when I'm out camping and hiking and enjoying God's nature. So this is fantastic. So today I'm going to talk with you about, we have the Slique Tropical Berry Crunch bar line and a dark chocolate cover line. But we also have the wolfberry crisp bars, which are a naturally sweet whole food bar containing almond, soy, wolfberries, and pumpkin seeds. And there's 6 of them in here. And I gotta tell you, just having one seriously makes you feel filled. It's got the protein complete in it, which is one of our product lines that it's not displayed here. It has blue agave, raw almond meal, Ningxia wolfberries, raw pumpkin seeds, raw cashews, raw walnuts, unsweetened carob chips. Also has, the carob chips has non-fat milk powder in it, and it has also a pure vanilla bean extract. So that is what I use there. Plus, I love my power meal. My power meal is dairy-free. I cannot do dairy. I'm just lactose intolerant. I have not been able to. Every time I do it, I get congested. And this is my favorite stuff to use. It has literally the complete meal to it. I just take 2 scoops, and usually I just take it in a little snack baggie. I pour it in there. So I can put it in my Young Living shaker container when I'm out on the go. I have a little container of almond milk, or I use my steam distilled water, whichever one was thicker, thinner, whatever you like. And that's what I use for my meal. Now, when I do smoothies up. I love doing berry smoothies, fruit smoothies, and Elvis's. And I'm going to explain to you. So, what I usually do is I always take my Pure Protein Complete. Now, the difference between these guys and the Power Meal is because the Pure Protein Complete actually has the essential enzymes and the Life 5 added to them. So what I do...
No. This one is 3, 2, 1.